everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade paneer very quickly and it tastes so delicious. Now to make homemade paneer we need couple of things. We need the circle thing which could hold the paneer shape, and we need the strainer, and we need something underneath which is big enough to hold our water, and we need cotton cloth. We also need weight that could go on the top, and underneath that I'm putting something which can push my heavy container at the bottom to squeeze all the water out. Here I am boiling my milk. Now I am using vinegar with water to separate the milk curdle. I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar and equal amount of water. Once you see that the milk is turning light yellowish color, that's when you know your paneer is ready. Now to make paneer, always use full fat milk, okay? Do not use fat free or 1%. It has to be full fat milk. Now my paneer is ready. Here now I am doing the assembly. Drain all the water out. And here I am going to use the circle thing which could hold the circle shape, okay? And it's important. Here I am trying to put it in a separate container now because the water was too much. So here I am putting it in a separate container. Take out, scrape out all the paneers and keep it in the middle. Now I am going to close it like this, okay? Do not make a knot. And this is how you are going to put the weight on so that the water would come out and paneer could get firm. Now do not throw out the water, okay? You can use it to make roti or chapati, okay? Now this is my paneer after 2 hours, okay? Make sure you keep it in a cold place for 2 hours. Mine was outside because over here is winter, so it got cold, and this is how my paneer looks like it. Like, look at this, how nice it looks. It's holding its shape so nicely because of the circle thing that we put. And here I am trying to remove it. I am showing you the exact process. This way you can make your paneer at home, okay? Because we have seen so many YouTube videos, but they don't show you how to, make paneer properly, which can hold its shape, the circle shape. This is the important thing. Here now I am removing the cotton cloth. Make sure you use the cotton cloth, okay? Not any other kind of. And now I am going to cut it and show you how nicely it's cutting. Now you can freeze this paneer in a Ziploc bag or you can keep it in the fridge. I have used my paneer for paneer makhani today. So I have finished my paneer at the same day when I made the paneer. So I didn't have to store it. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.